I'm here in front of you to share my some thoughts about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of the India and the president of the world's largest democracy, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was one of the most famous and inspiring leader of independence India. His words have the power to ignite the spark of hope even in those who have lost their everything. Not only these, his words are remembered across the globe by the peoples of all backgrounds, especially the youth. He gave hundreds of talks in his lifetime at various places which still stand out in all the situations. One of the best speech of the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the one he gave in European Union in 2007. He emphasizes the runners. He said he believed that they are the world's citizen and every citizen has their own kith and kind. Once Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, when there is a rightness in the heart, there is a beauty in the character. When there is a beauty in the character, there is a harmony in the home. When there is a harmony in the home, there is a order in the nations. When there is a order in the nation, there is a peace in the world. This heart-touching line touched the souls. One of the speech of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam he gave in Indian Institute of Madras in 2007. He shared his experience with all 11 million young people. He said that every youth wants to be unique, and that's you. But the world around us is striving us every day to make you a common person. Being like everyone else is not at all satisfying in long running. People stress and regret that they could not be unique and achieve great heights in their life. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam illustrated before the batch of students, he perspectives the unique evolution of the unique you. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam always instilled the young generation to work with their full heart toward anything they want to achieve. Because he said one might achieve success while having the work with half heart, but the bitterness keep reading all the time. There are many motivational quotes of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He said for students and youth. Some of them are these. First, you have to dream before your dream come true. Second, if you want to shine like the sun, first you have to burn like the sun. Third, dreams are not what you see in sleep. Dreams are something which would not let you sleep. Third, all birds find shelter during the rain, but the eagle avoids the rain by flying above the clouds. So problems are common, but attitude makes the difference. One of the most famous quotes for students of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the one. He said, if you get failed, so don't lose your hope, because fail means first attempt in learning. If something is in, so it does not mean in. In fact, it means effort never dies. If you get response as no, so don't be sad, because no means next opportunity. So let's be positive. I want to complete my speech with two shares. First, गिरते हैं शहसवार मैदान जंग में, गिरते हैं शहसवार मैदान जंग में, वो तितली क्या गिरे जो घुटनों के बल चले. सेकेंड, कदम उठे हैं तो मंजिल भी मिल ही जाएगी, कदम उठे हैं तो मंजिल भी मिल ही जाएगी, भूले तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग मी अटेंटिवली.
Very nice, very good.